In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Yahoo Mail verification code problem. Whether your verification code isn't arriving by email or text, or you're stuck waiting for a message that never comes, don't worry, this quick step-by-step guide will help you get back into your account easily. First, open your web browser and go to login.yahoo.com. Enter your Yahoo email address in the sign-in field, double-check it for typos, and then click Next. On the following page, carefully type in your password, making sure you've entered it correctly. If you're on a shared computer, it's a good idea to uncheck any Remember Me boxes to keep your account secure. Once done, click Next to proceed. If Yahoo asks for a verification code, but you're not receiving it, the first thing to do is check your account recovery settings. Click your profile icon in the top right corner of the Yahoo Mail dashboard, then select Manage Your Yahoo Account. This will open your account settings in a new tab. From the left-hand menu, choose Security. Scroll down until you see the Verification Methods section. Here, you'll find your registered mobile number and recovery email address. These are where Yahoo sends your verification codes. Take a moment to make sure the information listed here is both correct and active. If your phone number or email address is outdated or no longer in use, that's most likely why you're not receiving codes. To fix this, click Add Phone Number or Add Email Address and enter your current contact details. Once added, Yahoo will send you a confirmation message to verify the update. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After updating, you should now receive verification codes without any issues. To make sure everything works properly, try signing out and logging back in again. When prompted for a verification code, select your updated method, either your new phone number or email. You should receive the code instantly this time. As a helpful tip, make sure your phone has strong network coverage and that Yahoo messages aren't blocked by your carrier or spam filter. Also, avoid using outdated browsers or VPNs, as they can sometimes delay code delivery. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to fix the Yahoo Mail verification code problem and ensure your recovery details are always up to date. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you get back into your account smoothly.